Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to adjust ISO level on the Sony E10 camera. Let's get started. So, this feature will help you take crisp photos in different lighting conditions. And here on the bottom of the display, you can see my current ISO, which is 160. To change it, we just need to simply press this right button on this round controller, which is for ISO, and here we can see many different options. So just choose which one suits you the best, but I'm gonna discuss some of them as a tip for you. For example, ISO 100 you can use in bright sunlight. ISO 400, here it is, suitable for a cloudy day. Now, ISO 800, which is good for evening or indoors. ISO 1600, perfect for dark conditions, and 3200 plus, used for night photography or very dark locations. So, let's just change it back to the 160 and confirm by pressing this middle button. And that's it! I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.